Channel. It's still your girl Egbosimbairene, and if this is your first time of coming to my channel, you are welcome. So feel free to turn on your notification bell, subscribe, share my video, because I will be sending an exciting, interesting and helpful video across your way that will help you to take care of your skin, maintain a good health, know more about business, and so on and so forth. Okay guys, without wasting much time in this video, I've been getting a lot of comments on what you need to do to fade out stretch marks, and people feel so ashamed. This is something that takes away your esteem. It makes you feel so down. So today I have decided that we are going to talk about it. So the only thing you need to do is pay attention to every details I'm going to give on this video. Please, if you watch this video till end, you will find nothing difficult on how to solve your stretch mark problem. No need of WhatsApping me or chatting me to tell me how to do this, how to do that. Just sit down, listen to every details of what I'm going to give out today for your stretch mark problem. So many people think that stretch mark is as a result of not being clean or not taking good care of one's health. No, sometimes stretch marks can be as a result of childbirth, too much heat, sweat, enlargement of the body, gaining weight, and so on and so forth. Some can also be as a result of gene. Before we move over to this experiment, I just want us to understand that anybody that gives you a product telling you that it will fade out your stretch mark under 1 week, 1 month, baby, the person is not telling you the truth. You need to gradually follow the procedure. Use the product constantly to see a good result before your stretch mark able to fade out completely. At least 6 to 1 year. For you to fade out your stretch mark without having any side effect, you must give your body the ability to adapt to the natural product. You also need to understand that it takes time. Give your body time to heal. That is why I tell you guys that the best remedy for stretch mark is time. If you can give your body time and constantly use the natural product I'm going to give you guys today, it will heal your body. The first thing you need to do is to exfoliate your skin. If you are the type that have a dry skin, make sure you exfoliate it. It's either you use your brush or you use your brown sugar and oil. Any oil is preferable, but I prefer using coconut oil because coconut oil will also help to nourish your skin. Use coconut oil to exfoliate those parts that you know you want to work on. Okay guys, so without wasting much time, let's dive into this video. Okay guys, the first thing we are going to be using is our aloe vera. This aloe vera stem, I have it at my place, which I always cut off any quantity I want anytime I want to do it. So I suggest you get one aloe vera stem. If you need it, I will be leaving the link on the description box for those that are in China. So I will cut the stem off and then cut off the preferable parts I want to use for this experiment. Sorry you cannot see it. I have to use the scissors to cut off these 2 parts. Yeah, cut off the 2 parts and use my knife to cut it into 2 parts. If you've been watching my video before, you notice I like using my comb to bring out the gel on the stem. It saves my time. Aloe vera is very good for our body. It is so good in regenerating our skin tissues. It also contains an enzyme that helps to make our skin look younger, beautiful, and healthy. So that is why it is so good to be used in your hair, body, and also eating. So the next thing we're going to be using is my vitamin C. Vitamin C is very good in skin treatment. It helps to balance our skin and also reduce the sign of aging. That is why I can never skip vitamin C and E in any product I am doing, because it will also help to reduce the growth of cataracts. So the benefits of vitamin C is uncountable. So whenever you are doing these products, make sure you put enough vitamin C and vitamin E. Okay, guys? You can also put your vitamin C depending on the quantity you are doing. For me, in this small quantity, I'm putting 2. So the next thing is the vitamin E. As we all know that there are many benefits of vitamin E. It is good for drinking and also for our body. It helps to replenish our body. It is a powerful antioxidant which is helpful to our skin. It is a natural product that fights against sunburn. It helps in our dry skin and also heal any skin problem. After my vitamin E, another thing I do love to add is my lavender oil. But because my lavender oil is finished, I did not use it on this experiment, and this one I mixed today, I'm going to use it now and tomorrow. So I didn't bother to purchase a new one, but I just want you to know the things you need to put in your product. So the next thing I'm going to be using is my castor oil. You can use any oil of your choice, like coconut, pure coconut oil, pure refined shea butter, or cocoa butter. But I'm using castor oil in here because it's also good for your hair and your body. It helps in healing and moisturizing. It also helps to reduce the appearance of scars on your body and stretch marks. So that is why I'm using this castor oil, and after that I will start to stir everything with my spoon. Stir it till all the mixture rhymes together, and after this I will start applying it on my body. You can store it in your refrigerator, provided you can use it only for 2 weeks and then do a fresh one, because you're the one using it, right? So you don't need to make big quantity, you just need it to be fresh whenever you want to use it. And also remember to add your lavender oil, because lavender oil is also very good to prevent and also reduce your scars and your stretch marks. So it's good that you had your lavender oil. As I said before, I did not have it here because mine already finished. So after stirring this very well, the next thing I need to do is, okay guys, here we are. I already exfoliated my body with my brown sugar and coconut oil. As you can see, my body looks brighter. Yeah, that's the reason. So the next thing I do is I apply this in a circular motion around my breast where I have this stretch mark. I've been having it for a long time, but since I've been using this for a long time, I find out that my stretch mark has been disappearing, and that is why I decided to teach you guys the one I know that works for me. I apply it on a circular motion and leave it there. Sometimes I don't wipe it off again, or sometimes I do, because I find out it makes my breast look shiny. And the next thing you need to do is to make sure you apply this all the time. Don't skip any day. And guys, you will see the amazing effect of this product. Okay guys, hope you all enjoyed that video. If you do, please do well to like, subscribe and share my video, because I am very sure there are so many people out there who seriously need help on this stretch mark. Give them the natural remedy. This has been the product I've been selling to heal so many people's issue on this stretch marks. You can also help people. The only way to heal this stretch mark is constant using. Use it all the time. Don't skip any day. Don't skip it, and you will see the amazing result of this natural product. So guys, see you on my next video. Bye bye.